Welcome. Today I'll show you how to create a travel request using your CMS. It's quick, efficient, and keeps everything organized. Let's dive in. First up, log in with your official credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, head over to the Travel Management or Travel Requests section. Don't see it? Check the menu, it should be right there. Now click on Create New Request or that handy little plus button. This is where you'll input all the details about your trip. Enter your travel purpose, destination, dates, and how you'll be traveling. Need accommodation? Add those details too. Next, upload any supporting documents like approval letters or invitations. Just drag and drop or use the upload button. Once you've filled everything out, hit submit. Boom! Your request is on its way for approval. But wait, there's more. You can always track your request. Just head to the My Requests tab to check its status. It'll show as pending or approved, and that's it. You're all set to manage your travel requests with ease. If you run into any trouble, our support team is just a message away. Thanks for watching.